warm welcome to my channel. This is your Pangaluri Sharada once again coming before you with a grammar point, and today we are going to discuss about three things. One is in the parts of speech about pronoun, and the second one is persons, and the third one is how to improve vocabulary and how to speak in English. These are the 3 points today we are going to discuss. The very number one parts of speech, in that we are today going to know about pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun, as we can't always use noun, so that we take pronoun as its instead. There are 11 types of pronouns. In the next coming videos, we are going to discuss about all those pronouns. And today, from the 11 pronouns, we are going to discuss about personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are I, you, we, she, he, it. These are all comes under personal pronouns. In the personal pronouns, I turns my, mine, myself. You, your, yours, yourself. We, our, ours, ourselves. They, theirs, theirselves. It, its, itself, etc. comes under personal pronouns. Now, these pronouns are very much useful while writing subject and even in sentences, etc. Now, coming to the point, another one that we are going to discuss about persons. In English language, there are 3 persons: first person, second person, and third person. I, first person; you and we, second person; he, she, it, third person singular number; and they are the third person plural form. There is a general rule in this thing, that is, when the subject is in third person singular number, then the verb must be in plural form. For example, he, only this rule applicable in present tense. So always we speak in present tense only, so that mostly we have to use this. So first, he drinks is correct. He drink, if we write in present tense, that will become wrong. He drinks, she drinks, it drinks. In the same way, I drink, you drink, we drink. Fish swims, fishes swim. Baby cries, babies cry. So, when the third person singular number is the subject, then the verb must be in the plural form. In that we have to know. As we know that the persons and their uses, how we have to, because a sentence possesses subject, object and predicate. Always subjects are either nouns or pronouns, so that we should know about the persons. Then we can present in a nice manner our writing script or else our speech. Now coming to how to develop the vocabulary. It's very easy and simple also to develop our vocabulary. We have to do only one thing. Every day we have to select 10 new words, and those 10 new words we have to get their meanings and their parts of speech. If at all they are adjective, other degrees; if at all they are verb, other tense; if they are prepositions, their opposites. In that way we have to know them. And then after we have to do another thing, that is what? The new 10 words, we have to use them in our own words. Unless and until you don't use them in your own sentences and words, it never become yours. As there is lot of money in the Reserve Bank, nothing will be in your hands. In the same way, there may be so many words in the dictionaries, but unless and until you are not using them, it never become yours. So better we have to learn 10 new words every day and we have to use them in our own sentences. One more point, if you want to become a proficient in English and you want to perfectly know the English language,